Joaquin, can you see my slides?
Yeah, I got you.
All right, perfect. Boom, boom. All right, I got Winston, I got Joaquin. What? That was it. I'm gonna just start right now. Using the slides so I read in it. I think it's good. All right. Welcome everyone to the first GBM of the semester. Can I get a round of applause real quick? We made it. So first off for the agenda, we have a quick little officer intro. And then after we're gonna talk a little bit about what our club is about. And then I have some like OSINT exercises for you guys. All right. First, my name is Andres. I'm one of the two presidents of the club. The other one's Enzo. I don't think he can make it today. And um, yeah, I got recruited this past semester. Well, not recruited. I got promoted this past semester to one of the presidents. I'll be taking over once Enzo graduates. And then we also have our event director here, Annette. What's up, Mindy?
So sorry to wait.
No, no worries. We started like a minute ago. You're fine. Yeah. Dude, I couldn't get it to connect to the TV. We were having like a lot of technical difficulties. So what we did is I'm in the Zoom meeting right now, if you and then I'm just sharing the slides through that and you guys could see it like through your laptop. Yes, it wasn't connected. It connected for like 5 seconds and then it disconnected and I couldn't get it back up. I don't know. All right. I know.
It's a very far walk. Steve, where there's a building on campus.
Dude, I know like the very end.
7th Street, it's like right. I know. It's like Bentley Consumer Sciences, it's like across the street.
I know. All right. So we're just doing officer intro. I introduced myself and that, and then we also have our social media officer, Mindy, over here. And we also have one other board member, Kimberly, that couldn't make it today, but she is also in charge of being like social media director. And then next slide, we're a cybersecurity club focused on spreading knowledge and teaching our members skills that are help them in like the job market. And we have every week we have a meeting where we do like different activities. Today we're gonna do OSINT. Other ones we'll do like Kali Linux labs. And this is all just to get for our members to get hands-on experience in cybersecurity. Maybe get them introduced to a topic they would have not known beforehand. And all we ask for you guys is to bring your curiosity here because you might learn something that you didn't know before. I might learn something I didn't know before. I'm honestly probably like at the same technical knowledge level as you guys. I'm gonna be really honest. And yeah, we have one weekly meeting on Mondays from 1:30 to 2:30 in this room. I'm trying right now to get it like to a different room, but the school's being really difficult. And then if there are any changes, I'll update you guys on Discord and everything. And like I said, we'll have like hands-on labs, we'll have like guest speakers. I'm trying to get one right now, maybe on but it was March 20. Hopefully I get one on the 23rd. I'm trying to get a guest speaker, a guy that works at Checkpoint. He's a security engineer at Checkpoint, and I'm trying to get him to like talk about how his experience was breaking into the industry. And then I do end up booking him for that day, I'll let you guys know. I'll update on Discord and everything. And then last semester, if you guys remember, we also had people from like that one startup company. And we like he also just came here and talked about his experience breaking into the industry and everything. And also there are a couple of cybersecurity meetups like around the area. There's one that happens on every second Friday of the month called Irvine Underground, and then one on every first Friday of the month. I've been to IVU. That I haven't been to only OC 2600 yet, but IVU is always at this one restaurant in Irvine called Gulliver's, And it's basically where a bunch of like cyber enthusiasts just come and talk about their projects. Oh, what's up, Alex? And then IBU is basically just like cybersecurity enthusiasts coming to this one restaurant in Irvine, talking about their projects, their experience, and just like a networking opportunity. I went this past Friday with one of our former officers, Eunice. I don't know if you guys remember him, but I went with him and it was actually pretty cool. We met some people from NUC. NUC is this one nonprofit that like operates in the area that basically just helps a bunch of the cyber clubs like get set up with hardware and everything. And we met them. Hopefully we get some hardware set up from like, oh yeah, in the next couple months. I'm really gonna try to get some like a server set up for us, and the people on NUC are gonna be helping us with that, and I'll update you guys whenever we get that. So let's get to the meat and potatoes of the meeting. Let's get some OSINT exercises going. I bet you guys are wondering what exactly is OSINT. OSINT basically just stands for open source intelligence. It's just like it's all the data available to you that you could use like the internet to get basically. It's using resources that are open source, open to the public to solve different types of problems. There's a bunch of different ways you could use open source intelligence, like with the websites, social media, like public libraries or just public records. And the reason why this is important is because it gets you guys like in the investigator mindset. If you develop like your OSINT skills, you're able to like identify like vulnerabilities in websites, and you're able to like see like for blue team how you would defend those vulnerabilities, and if you were a red teamer you would see how you would like expose or like exploit those vulnerabilities. So for our first exercise we have this. Our briefing is on January 19, 2023. A journalist with almost 140,000 followers on Twitter shared an image of a destroyed vehicle amidst a large cloud of smoke and fire. The tweet said, breaking, TTP carried out a suicide attack on the police post in Khyber City of Pakistan that killed 3 Pakistani police officers. Your guys' job is to just verify if the journalist statement is true or not. And to make it easier for you guys, I'm gonna put like the image in the Discord. Hold on. And this one shouldn't take super long. I'm gonna give you guys like 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes to get this exercise done. It's in meeting info. It's one of the channels. It's like
Nice.
you see it? I did a write-up on this. I'm gonna pull it up real quick, but no one look. Do you have a question, Alex?
No, it's just like, and then when I take it, I think the booth, it's like in the name.
Oh, I mean, we didn't do any. We just introduced officers. You already know everyone here. And then you were here for the OSINT stuff, so yeah.
Mhm. you trying to exercise? Are you trying?
Yeah. Yeah, how many found the source?
Or just like cross-referencing it?
Um, you're trying to verify if what the journalist said is true about that.
You know, it's the.
Yeah, this one's easy. This is the first one. Dude, I was gonna bring the ducks that we didn't use for We Go Welcome, but they didn't fit in my backpack. But maybe next time I'll bring them.
Wait, this one here was 3 years ago? What the heck? We were old. Oh, God. I think about computer vision. I'm gonna like do this like use yellow or something.
The news. In class, because like my class got canceled today.
Mhm.
And I was like, okay, I'll just show up for me, and I was like, oh, everyone brought their laptops. So I'm like, oh, odd one out.
Excellent. Mhm. Did you guys come to your conclusions yet? Yeah. Alex did.
Really good channel for like meetings and post stuff.
Um,
The meeting info channel will be information for when we're
yeah, when we're in the actual meeting.
announcements. Sometimes we'll post in general too.
Yeah,
Mm.
just can like post like, I don't know, the websites in general or something.
We did in meeting info. Mhm.
I don't have permission to send stuff.
Oh, then
Oh wait, you don't?
general. Yeah. that
Oh
might
wait,
be-
yeah, I think yeah.
Just a note, if anyone actually is interested in going to either IBU or OC 2600, some of the officers tend to go. It's a little spotty, like it's not the
Yeah.
same people every time. So I would post about it in the general chat, like is anyone going? Or maybe someone will be here and say they are, and then that way you know who's going to be there and you don't show up to like somewhere in Irvine or Fullerton. on the
Yeah.
other side. Like her, which she did one time. Yeah.
So that means the next OC 2600 is
It's not gonna be until March.
March 6th, right?
Yeah.
And then the following for IU is 13.
Yeah.
So both are really good.
Networking
OC
opportunities.
2600 is more for, they tell you to bring an idea or like have projects in mind that you already did or something like that. So IVU is more, you can just walk in, someone gives us a talk and then you just network after.
Mhm.
It usually goes from like 7 to 9:30, something like that. OC 2600 works a little bit different, but that was more hands-on. They want you to discuss actual ideas.
Yeah. And they always go to Taco Bell after IVU. They call it Taco Bell Con. Yeah,
Parking lot con and then talk about.
yeah, because they always get kicked out like around 9.
Yeah,
So everyone just goes to the Taco Bell after.
they're very unfiltered, not formal events at all.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't go there expecting that people are like in suits and stuff. It's just like off-duty hunters who like to drink.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not. I'm not joking.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
really chill.
Did you see the announcement in the Discord that somebody sent for the tech symposium or cybersecurity conference happening at Falcon?
Oh, yeah, that.
Ooh, I did not see that.
No, I just said no.
Isn't it
Where is
just-
it?
It's in Pomona.
Or the
Free
announcement?
bet.
Wait, and which channel is it? Which channel is it in?
It's a good day, I'll go. Oh, and y'all going to LA Hacks?
I haven't even heard of that. TBH. Wait, when is it?
It's gonna be like April, like weekend of 24th to 26th of April. Hey, let me send you the website.
Yeah. I
I
know, there's a lot.
It's like $10.
Somebody sent it.
Yeah.
There's so many channels.
We're gonna dip.
Live and have like a bio lab in like 5 minutes.
No, you're good. You're good. You're good. Yeah.
Oh, I sent you.
For the first exercise, I'm gonna just say the answer. It's fake news. Yeah,
What?
it's fake. It was false. For this one, I'm gonna just go through how to do it real quick. You just do like a reverse image
So you guys
search.
post the thing on the Discord, right? The recordings?
Yeah, I'll put it on the YouTube too.
Okay. Thank you guys.
What?
Like the actual like science that happened. I was like,
Trying to find the channel.
For this, all you gotta do is go to reverse image search and then paste, and then it should be like the first.
What was the called?
IVU. You're talking?
IVU.
Yeah.
I thought it was like some other thing.
The conference that she was talking about.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a tech symposium. So maybe it was another server, that's why. But I can send the link if anyone is interested.
Yes.
It's open to all students. They have talks now, they have networking, they have competitions, prizes, like, it's pretty cool.
Mm. Oh, my timer went off for the thing. Okay, so basically all you do for this one is you just do like a simple image reverse search to verify if the journalist is like spreading misinformation or not, and they are, because the earliest that this picture pops up on the internet is in 2006, and the journalist is saying that it happened in 2023. They said it was breaking news, so it was indeed false. And this is like, I picked this exercise first to get you guys like, to give you guys ideas of what like OSINT could be used for. You could use it to like, if you see like an outrageous headline like on social media, you could use it to like verify it, because there's a lot of like misinformation out there, and developing the skill is a good way to like not fall for it, to like make sure people are telling the truth online. And then for this next one, the screenshot below shows satellite imagery from a coastal area. Each red pixel represents a 30-meter center point containing a thermal anomaly. The data is from January. Your task is to find which website was used to produce the image and which country is the image from. And then I'm gonna put it in the Discord too. Give me 1 second.
Oh, it was here. Now part of the moment Swift. 14th. When is that? Is that Saturday?
yeah,
Yeah,
it's Saturday.
Okay.
Hi there.
Hi there.
7-hour events. San Antonio College. How far is that from here? Let's see. Look that up.
So what are we looking for exactly?
Wait, hold on. I low-key should have told you before because I couldn't connect to the thing. So what I did is I just started like a Zoom meeting and I'm like screen sharing the slides
Yeah.
and it's in the meeting info. If you scroll up a little bit, and you can see like just the briefing there.
Yeah, I mean, like, what are the red dots for again? Like,
Um, it. Are you in the Zoom? Oh, you want to join the Zoom meeting real quick?
hatred, I remember.
Actually, I have to say that.
Oh my god, I have to wait.
No.
Alright, energy.
I can
drinks. Pretty good coffee places here.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Coffee?
Yeah,
I keep computer Winston.
thank you.
It's so cool. And I said that before. What's a computer?
That was a tablet.
Right?
It's very tablet. It can like.
Thanks.
Attach.
How much did it cost you? Oh. Well, wait, can you see
Right? Like,
this?
you could literally see it.
Whoa.
See, isn't that so
Bring
cool?
this
Like,
down to video.
I don't see, like, I also thought it was a tablet, but like. It's cool. Oh, really?
That said she needed a new, so we're going Micro 75.
I've been there for a while.
Are you like gonna get anything else there?
I've been there 2 years. Yeah, I.
Because like, there's a couple things I wanted to get. I want to
I
get
got like in a new hard
one
drive.
to terabyte
From
SSD
a
and put Linux on it, and then
I was like, 2 terabyte kind of hard drive, so about a terabyte. Nice.
What does that? Or I don't know if we all are next, but I don't know if he's really, but he now he uses Linux and he like, I was like.
oh my god, no, I haven't seen. I need to see that.
Gosh, so dude.
And symposium.
Josh, right now what we're doing, I couldn't get my laptop to connect to the TV, so I just started a Zoom meeting where I'm screen sharing the slides, and we're doing an OSINT thingy right now. And you can see it there. Mm, 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 mm. Winston, I like your Discord profile.
Oh, thank you. What was planetary?
By that one from one coffee, books of coffee and wine. Okay.
Have you ever been to a planetarium?
Yeah.
There's one like that's literally like right next to the venue. You can check that. The symposium.
So it's like a symposium, and then we found like group started.
Yeah. Cause yeah, I mean, if it's till 5 p.m., yeah. It's like right next to
That's a very good. That might happen.
all right, that's stargazing day. You could apply to LA events. What's your? I'll send it to you. You just. It's perhaps.
One of the guys I love about it.
I think it has been like how you feel.
You should definitely go to Stephen.
One of them that go on in a DEO.
Spell site. Can't spell. You should.
And are you trying to exercise? Sorry. How much time should I give him? Because I put like 15 and I was like at 7. Alex, have you tried it?
Yes, I tried it. I found where it came from. And so the last time it's just my search engine sucking. Okay.
Mhm.
It's supposed to be.
It's your birthday that weekend?
Yeah, it's the website where it came from and then the country.
No, it's that.
There was a third part to this. There was a third part, but then no, that one was a pain. So you got rid of that one. I think the third part was the exact date that where when the picture was taken. But like I tried doing it and like I couldn't find it. What's up, guys? Hey guys, yeah. Guys, what we're doing right now, I couldn't get my laptop to connect to the TV, so I started a Zoom meeting and I put it in the Discord if you guys are in it. And then I'm like screen sharing the slides there. We're doing a exercise right now, an Olsen exercise. If you guys want to try it out. Hmm? At the end, yeah.
Right, right? Yeah.
Yeah. What's up?
Yeah. We don't.
Exercise.
No. Also?
Yeah. Figure out, what was used to take that picture.
Yeah.
Where it is.
Something like that.
Who you want? It's a picture, so. Is it Jacob? Yes. Well, it's a PNG. It's a thing.
It's in the meeting info. The channel's called meeting info. Right? Yeah. At 2:15, I'll walk you guys how to do this one. Just give you guys a couple more minutes. So it's 2:15. I'll walk you guys how to do this one real quick. I did a write-up on it last night. Let me pull that up. All right. So first thing you want to do for this exercise, you want to go do a reverse image search real quick. You can just use the Google one real quick for this, and then if you scroll down to one that isn't like about OSINT exercises, you're gonna find this one. This one would be like your first step because it looks the most similar and it isn't just like another like walkthrough of the OSINT exercise. So what you want to do is go to this article and then it gives credit to the image. Hold on. I'm just gonna control F it real quick just for the sake of time. But they do credit the image on by NASA on their firm's through their firm's website. Firms is basically just like satellite imaging that NASA uses to like detect like wildfires. And you got that first part of the problem done with that. And then for the country, like to figure out which country this image is of, like that one's a little trickier. So you like first thing that I thought of when I did this is to try to use the information that the briefing gives you. The satellite imagery is of heat anomalies, and it says that each dot is 30 meters. So you already know that it like covers like a huge like area of land. And what else would a heat anomaly be? But it would be like a wildfire. And it also tells you that this picture was taken in January. So with that, you know it's of wildfires, you know it's in January, and you know that it's a huge like plot of land. So you could already determine like through that, like when do wildfires happen? Like during the dry season, most likely during the summer. And since you know it's in January, you know that it's most likely in the southern hemisphere of the world because they have like opposite seasons from us. Like their summer would be during January, like prime time for like wildfires. So through that, you know that it's gonna be like southern hemisphere, and then through that you could go like Google Earth. This is like the like brute forcing it, like going through Google Earth and just looking through like coastlines on like the southern hemisphere and everything. But an easier way to do it is to go back to the article and then click on the link they gave us. If you zoom out, you know that the image is like of Chile, and then you could just like look through the coastline real quick to try to find like the pattern of the image. Hold on. What I tried when I first did this is to try to look for like these like darker blue dots like on the left. And then if you do that, you could like pretty easily find it on the coast. Hold on. Yeah. And if you like scroll around the Chilean coastline, you could find like this. It's the same pattern on the same coastline. And now you're like that's how you verify that it takes place in Chile. And boom, that's that exercise done. And then for our last one, this one's like really tricky. This one is a YouTube link. Hold on. I did not get the YouTube link. Give me 1 second. My gosh. I'll give you guys the image real quick. So this image is of a like CCTV footage of an earthquake happening, and your task is to find the magnitude of the earthquake and what city and country the video is recorded in. But let me get you the video like real quick. Hold on. Here's the YouTube link for that. This one was trickier, so I think I'll just like give you guys the rest of the meeting time for it.
You're getting Russia for the image?
Are you not?
This one's hard. This one's tricky.
Feel. I'm getting Roman. I'm not showing that.
We're just reading that, obviously.
Also, remember that the epicenter doesn't necessarily, or like the video isn't necessarily recorded in the epicenter. Remember that too.
Find the epicenter?
Or like try to find where the video
Oh, the video.
the video is located.
Let's look up.
Mm.
I never played GeoGuessr.
Yeah.
This is such like a GeoGuessr thing.
Yeah.
The video was like 720p. Something like that. I can't see this no street sign or nothing. Oh man, I need a GeoGuessr. Wait, there's a flag, but can't read it now. On the bottom left, there's a few flags. Bottom left or bottom right? Bottom left. Left of the video.
So this is like 2 in the morning. Also like the D shows D month. In the US.
October 27th. Or 8th. If it's in Eastern Europe, it's probably like 20. Look it up. Getting Bucharest as the city.
Should I start doing? Should I start walking through? Because we have 4 minutes left. Okay. Do you guys have an answer? Okay, I'll go get yeah, 2 minutes is fine. We'll speed run the walkthrough. Oh, people already here. They 4 more minutes.
Wait, hold on. It's Moldova.
I know.
Now it's
All right. All right. All right, I'm gonna just start walking through it. So the answer was Moldova, yeah. How do you say Chisinau, Moldova? Yeah. Okay, so basically the way you do this through the video, you know that it was recorded on September 24th, 2016. So the first thing you want to do is look up significant earthquakes and like on that date. You end up on this website, the StockUp website, and then I think it gives you only like 5 real choices. Hold on. Yeah, you only have like a couple real choices. You only have like Romania and like Togo was one of them, and I think I forgot the other country names. But what you want to do is go through the city that each of those earthquakes took place in. Go to Google Earth and then just take a quick look at each city, and then the one that matches the best is Romania. But then that doesn't necessarily mean that the video was recorded in Romania. But the earthquake magnitude is 5.6. That's the answer to the first part. And then for the next part, what you want to do is just take a quick screenshot of the video and then you reverse image search it. And then you'll eventually like end up on, hold on. I should have put the video link in my write-up. But you'll end up on like the original video being uploaded, and it was of some guy in Chisinau, Moldova, that recorded like the CCTV footage and put it on YouTube. And that is where the that is where the city and country that the video was recorded in Chisinau, Moldova. And I think that concludes our meeting. Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you. I know it was difficult through like the rain and everything. I got soaked on my way here, and I get it, guys. Thank you. But thank you so much for showing up. Let me get a quick round of applause. Thank you. That concludes the meeting. Yeah.
Mental business center.
So what?
Place I could stay here. Where it's going from.
I think so. I think something like that.
80%.
Dude, there was another part of the exercise, Josh, where it was like find the exact coordinates of the camera and everything, but I got rid of that because it was way too difficult. Because like what the lady did, what she did was like oh yeah. Wait guys, let me get a quick photo before everyone leaves. Three, two, one. All right, thank you guys.
Which floor was filmed on and stuff?
Dude, yeah.
Yeah, which room? Yeah.
Like the way that the lady I like ripped this from did it was she like used the building on the bottom left, and then she was like through deduction you could figure out, she like brought some like BS up. It was like, oh, the lights are on 24/7, so you could conclude that this is a car dealership. And like I'm like, I don't know how she came to that. But yeah, I don't know about that. So what she did was she went through each car dealership in the city, and then she ended up like on that building, and then it was like, dude, it was so annoying. It's calm.